Hey, this is Dave and Rich again at HouseBarons.com. Today we're going to show you how to resurface a fireplace. In a previous video we put this fireplace in. It's basically a 2x4 construction with a ventless fireplace inside, which it's just a real nice heat generator. We love it. Anyway, what we're going to do today is attach these veneers. And they come, you can see how the pieces are glued together basically from the factory. And we shelled out the money to get the finished corner pieces, and they'll just end up going together like that. Nothing between the seams, it's just the thinset mortar that we're going to have in the back. We have attached a cement board to the 2x4 frame, which is probably the easiest, best way to go. But you may already have a fireplace that you just want to refinish. There's several options that you at home might have. If you don't have a fireplace, in a previous video we'll show you how we built this fireplace frame, 2x4 frame, and attached the cement board too. If you already have an existing fireplace, maybe you have a fireplace that's already brick, and in that case you can put a scratch coat of mortar over that, and then once that's dried, you have a material that will accept the veneer very well. If you have painted brick, you're up a creek, and the mortar will not stick to painted brick, so you're going to have to attach lath to your fireplace, and after you attach the lath to your fireplace, that will hold the mortar and the new veneer. Another possible option, if you have painted brick, you could try to attach this kind of setup, a cement board, to your fireplace and then go over that. If you have tile, you probably underneath the tile already have a cement board, but you want to get down to that cement board. Of course, you couldn't mortar over tile, so the tile's got to come off. And then once you see what surface you have underneath the tile, then you can make a call as to what's the next step. But no matter what, they make these veneers in all different kinds of shapes and styles, so that you can literally transform the look of your existing fireplace and really update it. It can be a little expensive. Just as by way of reference, this veneer, say if this veneer cost us X, then these corner pieces also cost us about the same amount. The corner pieces are pretty pricey, considering you only get a stack of tile like this, up two edges, but the final look is beautiful. If you want a real professional appearance when you're all said and done, it's probably worth the money to pay for the finished corner pieces. We know that bathrooms and kitchens sell, and I don't know how many people know this, but the number 3 is fireplaces. And so a fireplace is a good investment for the resale of your home, and so it's really not everybody wants a fireplace, but few people use them. But nonetheless, they're great selling features. So something to consider when you have to pay extra money, especially for corner pieces or something like that. There could be a really nice benefit when you ultimately do sell your house. To say nothing of how beautiful it'll look once it's all said and done, and you just get to enjoy that. So here we go. We're going to get started, and we're going to mix up the mortar and start applying it. We're probably going to do it in 2 stages, so that we can get the first one up to about here, let it dry, and then we'll continue on the rest of the way the next day. Got that first row in. Looks pretty nice. It's just a matter of measuring and cutting. Gotta have a tile saw for this one, for sure.
Hey, just like it was measured. This is how our tile looks. It's kind of got a stair step feature to it. So that fits nicely over there. We also have these corner tiles. So the stair step fits right on there, but then we have to cut them to make them fit over against the wall. All right, so there's the progress so far, and we have a ways to go to reach the top. And Avi does not seem like she's going to do a lot of helping.
All right, things have progressed, and we're about at this point where we're going to come to this top part. And so we built in like a ledger board, so that the tiles can rest on here. And when we stack above that, it has a good footing, because you don't want the, otherwise the weight of the tiles above will just start making these sag down. So we're going to go a couple 3 rows above this, and then quit for the day, let it all set up, and then keep on going tomorrow. We're putting the thinset or the mortar on the backs of the veneers, the stone veneers, as well as on the fireplace, so that we get good adherence on all of them. And this, especially on the metal, we want to make sure we get a good amount on there. You can do too much, and so the goal is to, when you put this on, you want those ridges in it, 45-degree angle on the trowel. Okay. And so now it's just a matter of putting these 2 pieces together. You put the ridges the same way so the air can escape as you press the tiles together. And it is as simple as that. And especially on this stone veneer, you want to clean up anything where it seeps through, where it squeezes out, because there's not going to be an easy way to do this later on. So you want to, as you go, clean as you go kind of thing.
All right, it's the new day, and we are more than halfway through with this project. And we wanted this tile to be able to set overnight, because otherwise it'd be just too much weight at once. But now that is all set up, so we can go the rest of the way to the top. Well, none of it fell overnight, so that's good news.
Stone?
Do it. Throw some stone.
Look at that.
Nice. All right, hooray. This is the final piece for the entire project. And it's been a couple days of fun, huh? All right, here we go. All right, yay. Wunderbar. All right, well, that's how you tile a fireplace. We're very pleased with how this project turned out. If you got anything out of the video, if you could hit the like button, that helps out our channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We have a ton of videos on home improvement on the way. Thank you very much for viewing, and we'll see you in the next video.